Well, welcome back to Channel Run. Today I'm going to be working on a 2021 Forte, and one of the problems you're going to have if you ever get stuck, and this will happen if you live in the Northeast, there's no hooks on the bottom of the vehicle, and rather than you get into an embarrassing situation like I did, you might want to check out the manual and quickly determine where your hook is. And what it is there's a little spot on the front of the vehicle, and there's a little arrow. You push down on that arrow, and you pull this little cover here off, and then in the trunk you should have a little tow hook. You just take that and you just screw that in like that as far as it will go, and then you can take your tow hook, your strap, and you can hook onto it. Now you can pull your vehicle out. Again, this is something that we kind of found out the hard way, and I don't want you to do the same as I did. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we will see you on the next one.